హ్యాపీ 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 నైస్. మనం రకరకాల విషయాలు హిమాలయ భూమిలో ఉండి తెలుసుకుంటూ ఉన్నాం. గురువులు, యోగులు మనకి రకరకాల సందేశాలు ఇస్తున్నారు. రకరకాల పద్ధతుల్లో మనల్ని ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయాలని, విద్యావంతులుగా, జ్ఞానవంతులుగా చేయాలని చూస్తున్నారు. డైరెక్ట్గా, ఇండైరెక్ట్గా, ప్రత్యక్షంగా కొంతమంది, పరోక్షంగా కొంతమంది రకరకాలు మనకు తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. మహావాక్యాలుగా, శాస్త్రాలుగా చాలా వాళ్ళు రూపకల్పన చేసేసి ఎన్నో గ్రంథాలను, శాస్త్రాలను మనకి అందించారు. అవే వేదాలు. అద్భుతమైన, అతీతమైన, సంపూర్ణమైన జ్ఞానాన్ని ఇవ్వటం కోసం వేదాలు సృష్టించారు. ఉపనిషత్తులు వచ్చాయి. వాటిల్లో ఎన్నెన్నో మహావాక్యాలు చెప్పారు, ఎన్నెన్నో చెప్పేసి ఉంచారు. అన్నిటినీ ఒక వ్యక్తి, ఒక సామాన్యుడు, సాధకుడుగా మారి, జిజ్ఞాసిగా మారి, ముముక్షువుగా మారటానికి వాటన్నిటినీ పొందేసి, వాటన్నిటినీ మనం డైజెస్ట్ చేసేసుకుని మనం శుభ్రంగా మనం ఏదో అయిపోతాం అంటే ఈ జీవితం సరిపోదు, ఈ జన్మ సరిపోదు, మనకున్న ఆయుష్ సరిపోదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనము అంటే శరీరం కాని మనం. కొంతమంది ఇక్కడ చాలా చక్కగా మిస్లీడ్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటారు పాపం. యు ఆర్ గాడ్ అంటే, అవును యు ఆర్ గాడ్, బట్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ బాడీ. యు ఆర్ గాడ్ బట్ నాట్ ఎట్ క్రాస్డ్ ది మాయా కర్మ ప్రారబ్ధ జనన మరణ చక్ర. We have not crossed this cycle. So we are facing this cycle, birth and death cycle. So we must be aware of this body, mind and world, environment, society. Yes, all we have to think. Should not neglect all these things. Okay, the day comes when you enlightened, you got the truth, then don't care. Anybody can do anything. You go out of everything, you leave everything, just you go. You won't stop, you won't think to go. It will happen, going out, going beyond, leaving everything naturally. When enlightenment comes, when realization comes, everything happens naturally. You need not plan, you can't plan. It happens like that, suddenly it happens, suddenly. Yes, that's why people think, plan, I will take sannyasa, I will take this, I will take that, I will become master. You need not. You live yourself. That mastership will be given by God. Infinite existence will provide you mastership or godliness or Sadguru status or Mahaguru status, whatever it may be. You need not label yourself. It is not labeling, it is status. Sadguru, master, grand master, this is all status, not any rewards or awards or. That's why try to live yourself, try to be sadhak, try to go inside, try to understand what is happening in me, what I am, how I am, where I am. As per karma, as per karmic life, we all are karmic jivis, karmic people. That's why we are having body now. That's why we are tempting to relationships. We are going towards money earning, name, fame, attaching. Yes. Suffering comes in three ways. Suffering comes in three ways. One is desires, second is expectations, third is attachments. Desire, expectation, attachments. These three are creating suffering. Yes. These three are because of our karma, karmic status. Otherwise, no desires, no expectation from anybody. If you see real Sadgurus, enlightened masters, no desires, they will live naturally, No expectations, they will simply accept the things, respect the things as it is. They will respect the situations as it is. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. They never expect. They will plan, they will think before. But after reaching to the point, after working, living in the moment, situation, they simply accept the things as it is. They respect, okay, oh, this is happening here, this is the reality here, okay, let me accept and follow it. That way they will go beyond expectation and attachment. They don't have attachments. Guru says, you are mine, you are this is mine. They say simply, superficially, but they never attach to any people, anybody, any disciple. Simply they will express, because their unconditional love, they will show, they will share, they will teach something through unconditional love in the form of attachment. Like it is not attachment, just it is a divine bondage without attachment. Detachment in attachment, they have attachment in detachment, detachment in attachment. Two things we have to follow. So that way they live in detachments, complete detachment. When somebody come, they will move like a blossom friend like. They will take care, they will hug, they will console. You are mine. If that person is crying, he will also cry. After that person goes, he will simply switch off that character, that sketch. Another devotee, another person, another thing. This will be switched off and another thing will be switched on. That way they will simply detach. They live in detachment. Beautiful. So the person thinks, oh, he can't live without me. That's why he is crying for me. He loves me very much. He can't leave me. If I don't go, he will suffer. Never. That is their depth of intensity of love, intensity of care. Yes, we must be careful, because ordinary people, worldly people are attaching. My sister, my brother, my father, all many things. Mine. You reciprocate, you live with them. You do whatever you want to do. You take whatever they give. Be affectionate, but don't attach. This is most important, to live, to know the things. So you be unconditional, no conditions. It is happening. It is not happening, no problem. No fixation. Yes, that sort of detachment in attachment we have to follow. Yes, we have to follow. Simply, otherwise we suffer. Suffering comes, struggling, depression. All these things are why we are facing. We are expecting, we are fixing ourselves. We are fixing the other people. We are blocking ourselves. We are losing our inner reality, our inner bliss, inner unconditional status. Your unconditional status, your status is unconditional. Don't condition yourself. Don't condition through gender, through property, through money, through name and fame. Don't condition yourself. Try to realize everything, whatever you get today, it will go one day. It will go one day, I am telling. You see, many people come and gone. Men may come and men may go. I go on forever. Great Mahavakya he told. Wordsworth. Brook. One river, one lake. So, you also, you are physically not permanent here. How your relationships will be permanent here? Take care. One day you will leave the body. You will go away from all. You leave all properties. You leave your Sadguru. Sadguru will leave you in physical form, in outer level, in relationships angle. But divine relationships, divine bondage, Guru and Sishya, God and disciple, these are divine bondages. They will be there forever, forever, forever. Yes, forever. Yes, all the janmas, many janmas, beyond janmas. Because these relationships are divine, beyond expectation, unconditional, no conditions, no fixation, no questioning, no pointing, no criticizing, just experiencing, just living, living truly, living completely, living openly, living in freedom. That's why these relationships will go up to many janmas, beyond janmas. Okay? Thank you. I love you. All the best.